All right, we're back. I know I look different. I don't want you to be distracted by just, the amazing makeup skills that I have. I just want you to focus. Okay, our content objective today. Today we're going to learn new vocabulary words and we will read the story Pink and Say. We will use the story Pink and Say tomorrow and the following day to infer the theme of the story. And we're going to be reviewing important vocabulary words and answering reading comprehension questions so that we can really understand the story. Okay, some shout outs. These are shout outs based on the summary of A Nation Divided. The first shout out goes to Gabe. All right, I want you to see how Gabe used transition words and highlighted the important main ideas of the text. So he says, first, slavery was a big issue between the states because some people liked it and some people didn't. Then, in 1860, Abraham Lincoln was elected president, and many people in the South feared that Lincoln would abolish slavery, and they formed a new country. Also, in most northern states, slavery was already been abolished. In addition, many people in the South had farms and plantations and relied on slaves to work on those farms. So notice how Gabe used these transition words to talk about the main ideas and details. Nice job, Gabe. And the second shout out goes to Camilo. Camilo similarly used transition words, but he even came up with his own that made sense. A long time ago, in 1800s, United States, the North and South disagreed on slavery. So right there, he used the first transition word to talk about the first main idea. And then he used green transition words to talk about the other main idea. So just looking at the green, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main ideas in this text. And there were 5 main ideas. So that's awesome organization. What is one thing that you can shout out Gabe or Camilo from their work?